Hi, off-road car enthusiast. Welcome back to my channel. Today, introducing 2024 Jeacoo J7 AWD is a stylish, featured-packed mid-size SUV that combines power, luxury, and off-road capabilities. Its sleek and modern design with 18-inch alloy wheels and LED headlamps ensure it stands out on the road. Powered by a 1.6-liter turbocharged petrol engine producing 145 kW and 219 Nm of torque, it delivers a smooth driving experience with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. Fuel consumption is efficient with 7.8 liter per 100 km claimed and eco mode reducing it to 6.7 liter per 100 km on highway. The RD's intelligent off-roading system with 7 driving modes enhance its off-road performance, making it adaptable to various terrains. Inside, the cabin spacious of luxuries, offering comfort with power-adjustable front seats and ergonomically designed seatings. The Vortex entry model comes with a 13.2-inch touchscreen, 360-degree camera, and wireless smartphone charging for modern connectivity. The Glacier model upgrades to a 14.8-inch touchscreen, heating and ventilating seats, and a head-up display. Safety features include 7 airbags, automatic emergency braking, AEB, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control. The Jaecoo J7 4-wheel drive is priced competitively at $40,000, offering great value against rivals like the Volkswagen T-Roc and Subaru Crosstrek. The throttle response, though improved from the Chery Tiggo 7 Pro, can still sharp during acceleration. This SUV provides an average of 7.4 liters per 100 km fuel consumption in city driving and 8.2 liters per 100 km in sport mode and off-road conditions. Comfort levels are high, with smooth driving even on long journeys, and sufficient legroom for passengers. The Jaecoo J7 AWD blends luxury, power, and advanced technology, positioning it well in the mid-size SUV segment. Overall, it is an excellent choice for drivers seeking a well-rounded SUV that balances daily practicality with off-road adventures. Thank you for watching, friends. Hope to see you again.